Hello everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to add music to your WhatsApp status. It's a great way to make your status post more engaging and fun. So let's get started. To add music to your WhatsApp status, we're going to use TikTok first. Open the TikTok app on your device. Once you're in TikTok, choose the photo you want to use for your WhatsApp status. You can add a background photo or use an existing image. After selecting your photo, you can click the music note icon to change the background music for your status. Now, click on the check mark to confirm your music selection. Your chosen music will be added to your status. Make sure that the post is set to be visible only to you on TikTok, and then click on the check mark to proceed. Next, go to your TikTok profile and navigate to your private videos. Locate the video you've just created with the background music and click on it. In the video details, click on the three dots to access more options. From the menu, select Save Video. This will save the video with the background music to your device. After the video is saved, exit TikTok and open WhatsApp. In WhatsApp, go to your status feature. You can do this by clicking on My Status. Choose the video you've saved from TikTok as your WhatsApp status. On the top of the video, grab the slider and cut the video right to the end to ensure that only the music plays. After editing, click on Send, and your WhatsApp status with music will be uploaded. And that's it. You've successfully added music to your WhatsApp status. Now, your status posts are more vibrant and engaging. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye-bye!